the trick called the butterfly. It all starts with what we call plane propellers. We're spinning both poi in wall plane, so they're in front of me, but they look like plane propellers, don't they? Now I'm spinning so they're going inwards. The poi are spinning in towards each other in front of me. If you're spinning outwards, have a practice at spinning the other way before you try the butterfly. This move is a bit of an optical illusion. All we're going to do though is bring our hands towards each other, keeping this same rhythm going. So watch my hands. I slowly bring them together on each beat until they're touching in the middle. And that's it. You're doing the butterfly. So let me separate them and show you again. It looks a bit confusing, but it's really, really simple. Think about what your hands are doing. Don't worry about what the poi are doing. So each time they beat, I'm going to slowly bring my hands together, and if I can get my hands touching, I'm going to move them up and down at the same time. So they're moving together now. Making sure that one hand is slightly on top of the other will stop them colliding. Okay? If it goes wrong, untangle them, which will probably happen quite a lot. Start again. From plane propellers, slowly coming into the centre, one hand on top of the other.